How to fix Roblox not launching Windows 10. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. Step 1, you just have to go to the search bar and then kindly type control panel, okay, and then click open. Now after that, you just have to go to programs. Step 2, click programs, and then all you have to do here is to simply look for Roblox. You can simply search Roblox here by typing R. And then once you found it, you just have to right click and then click uninstall. And then wait as it is installing. You have to make sure that a notification will pop up that says Roblox has been uninstalled. Step 3, you just have to go to the search bar again. And then this time, you just have to type CMD or command prompt, click open. And then here, you just have to follow what I'm going to type. So first, you just have to type cd and then space app data and then slash local, press enter. And then next, you just have to type rmdir space slash s space Roblox, press enter, and then type y, press enter again. Then you can now exit this command prompt. Step 4, you have to go to Microsoft Store or any web browser and then download Roblox again. Once done, you just have to go to download folder, right click, and then click run as administrator and wait as it is installing. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.